है। अब हमने नेक्स्ट सैंपल डायलूट H2SO4 के लिए है और ये आप देखेंगे डायलूट H2SO4 ब्लू लिटमस को रेड में कन्वर्ट कर दिया, इसका मतलब ये एसिडिक नेचर का है। अब हम नेक्स्ट रेड लिटमस पेपर को डीप करेंगे और रेड लिटमस पेपर को आप देखेंगे इसमें कोई ब्लू चेंजेस नहीं हुआ है, इसका मतलब ये बेसिक नेचर का नहीं है। नेक्स्ट सैंपल लिया है डायलूट NaOH, ब्लू लिटमस पेपर में कोई चेंजेस नहीं, मीन्स ब्लू लिटमस पेपर रेड में कन्वर्ट नहीं हुआ है, इसका मतलब ये एसिडिक नेचर का नहीं है। अब हम रेड लिटमस पेपर को डीप करेंगे और रेड लिटमस पेपर यहाँ आप देखेंगे ब्लू में कन्वर्ट हो गया, इसका मतलब डायलूट NaOH बेसिक नेचर का होता है।
To understand how acids react with bases, we take about 2 milliliters of sodium hydroxide solution in a test tube and add a couple of drops of phenolphthalein solution to it. What do you notice about the color? Yes, the color of the solution turns pink. The indicator phenolphthalein is colorless in acidic solutions but goes pink in basic solutions. As sodium hydroxide is a base, the indicator turns pink. Now to see how bases react with acids, we add hydrochloric acid to this drop by drop. What do you observe? We see that the solution turns colorless again. So the colorless base turned pink and then again turned colorless after an acid was added. What does this prove? We can say that the effect of a base is neutralized or nullified by an acid. Does the reverse also happen? Will an acid be neutralized by a base? To find out, let's add a few drops of sodium hydroxide back to the above mixture. And yes, the pink color of the phenolphthalein reappears. That's because the effect of acid is neutralized by the base. So the reaction taking place here can be written like this. Sodium chloride is nothing but a salt. So an acid and a base react to give us salt and water. And guess what such a reaction is called? It's called a neutralization reaction. A base reacts with acid to give us salt and water. In a similar way, calcium chloride is formed along with water when hydrochloric acid reacts with calcium hydroxide. Can you think of a more practical reaction? When we have acidity, our stomach produces excess acid, which is nothing but hydrochloric acid. And this acid is very harmful for the walls of our stomach, which is why we get that burning sensation. So to neutralize the acid, what we use is an antacid. Antacids, as you would have guessed, are nothing but bases. The antacid reacts with the base to give salt and water. And that gives us relief.